Hi, my name is Will Neff. My name is Will Neff. And today we have a special stream. I bet you're asking, what? There's always so much special content. Shut up. Shut your mouth for 1 second and I'll tell you. Today we're cooking with HAchu. She's tremendous. I won't be cooking, she will. But she'll be cooking based on my instructions. All the way from across the ocean. So sit back, strap in, subscribe to my YouTube and hit that bell. Because you're not dumb and you don't hate freedom. So why would you miss all this content? Did I do it like the other YouTubers? Well, okay. I'm looking at everything and it looks as though you're set up nicely to do a stir fry.
So good and tasty.
Have you ever done stir fry before?
Or stir fry?
Stir fry, yeah. Have you done stir fry?
I will turn on your volume more.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, why?
Have you done stir fry yet on the show?
That.
Stir fry is like noodles with like meat and vegetables and soy and stuff.
Not yet. I don't know.
All right. We're going to do a stir fry then. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is take our beefsteak and our vegetables and we're going to cut them. So let's take the beefsteak. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And let's cut some small strips. Okay. More. We are going to need at least 10 small strips. Okay. Now, what we're going to want to do is in a small pan, put cooking oil and bring to a medium heat. No. Pause. Put down the bowl. Pick up a pan. A pan on the bed. On your bed, there are 2 pans. Place the pan on the hot pad. Yes. Now put oil in the pan. Medium heat. Yes. Okay. Yep. Good. Perfect. Now, wait for that. While you're waiting for that to heat up, remove the beefsteak. Delete beefsteak from the table. Clean knife and cutting board because there was raw meat on it. Clean. Nope. Clean. Wash it. Bathe it. I guess, yeah, that works. Okay, delete beefsteak from, oh God, it's just on the ground. Oh God, we're cross-contaminating. We can't serve this food. You're gonna kill somebody. Delete beefsteak. Delete it. Get... Okay. Yep, that's good too. Okay. Place the slices of beefsteak in the pan. Not the big one. Nope, nope, no, no, no. Stop. Yes, the small strips. The small strips go in the pan. Yes. Yes. Uh-huh. Nice. Okay. Now, while that is cooking, take the rest of the beefsteak off the table. Take the large piece of beef. No. Put that back on the heat. Yes. Now, the other piece, the large piece, underneath. Yes. Remove it from the table. Close enough. Oh! Oh, God! You might not want to cut on the pan. Ah! You're cutting on a Teflon surface. I can hear it. Okay. Toss the onions in with the beef.
Oh.
Yes. Begin moving them. That's a lot of onion. That's okay. Close enough. Okay, begin moving the onion and the beefsteak around. With the wooden spatula. Nope. No. Yes. Grab the wooden spatula. The wooden spatula. Yes. Begin moving your ingredients around the hot plate. Yep. Yep. No. No. No, no. Okay. Toss those in. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. Yes. Perfect. Keep moving the onions around with the beef. Yes. I need you to cut broccoli in small pieces, but not on the Teflon pan. Okay, that'll work. Yeah, that'll... Okay. Maybe not. Yeah. Yeah. Cut more broccoli. Cut it into tiny pieces. Yep. And then put that in the... Yep. Yep. Now put that in the cooking pan. Yes. Now put some olive oil in the cooking pan. You need a little bit more olive oil. Yes. Yep. Yes. Perfect. Good. Now, if you have any salt or pepper, add it to the cooking pan. Yep. Yes. Yes. A little drizzle. Okay. Yeah. One more. Hit it one more time. Bam. Perfect. Nice. All right. Now, add a little soy sauce to the pan.
Soy sauce?
Yes. Careful. A little less violent than the salt and pepper. Yeah. Just a little drazzle. Just a little drazzle. Just a little drizz. Okay. Yep. That's a good drizz right there. Now start stirring. Stir. Give it a little stir. You use the wooden spatula. Mm-hmm. You're not looking at me. I'm not going to give you any actions, but I'm going to tell you, stir the ingredients with the spatula. Nope, not the metal one. The wood one. The one you had in your hand. Okay, listen. Wood spatula, coggers. Yes. Okay, leave that cooking. In the other pan, in a pot, it's time to make the noodles. You can leave that okay. All right. You can put that back though. Put that back. Yes. Okay. Do you have a pot for the noodles? To cook the noodles, we'll need a pot. That's it. Yes. 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 We need, wait, no. Wait, is that cookable? I don't know if can I cook in that?
Yes.
Okay. Put water. Add water.
Okay.
I don't know if I can cook in that. I feel like it's going to burn her hands. Okay, yes. Nice. Good work. Add another water. Okay, now add salt. Yes, one more shake. Perfect. Now add a tiny bit of olive oil. Olive oil. No. No. Okay. Yes, for flavor. Okay, that's fine. Olive oil. Olive oil. Close. It's close to your left hand. The big bottle. Oil. Yes. Yes. Just a little bit. Yes. Okay, good, good. Perfect. Now, I need you to put that on the cooking unit. Replace the switch. Swap. Trade. Yep. No, no. Close. Careful. I need you to replace the entire, like, yeah, yes. No, no, I see what you're about to do. Don't do that. Pick that up, the whole thing, and then put the entire other thing on there. Okay, yeah, that's, nope. Yeah, okay. What are you doing? Okay, yeah. Well, yeah. Oh, don't put that on the hot thing. That's gonna melt. It's plastic. It's plastic. It's plastic. Okay. Put that food in the bowl. No, okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, yes. Yes, that will work. Yeah. Perfect. Yes. All right. Hell yeah. Okay. Good. Put that to the side. Put that to the side. Now put the water in the thing. Yes. Now turn the heat on high. Yes. Now wait for the water to start to boil. Do 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 do. In a few minutes, we're going to pull a single strand of spaghetti out and taste it to see if it is al dente. Give it a minute. Give it a... Oh, okay. Taste test.
Okay.
I didn't hear you.
Good snake.
Good snake or not done yet?
Like a snake. Snake,
Like-
you know.
Yes. I think that it is not cooked yet. We might need a little bit more water.
Oh,
Yes. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah, yep. Now we have to be very careful when cogging because the pan is very full. Delicate coggers. Lowercase coggers. No, this is good. You're doing good. Ah, yes. Yes.
sorry, chef.
This is very good. All right. Taste test another noodle. See if it's done.
Okay.
That's looking like a noodle. Yep. Give it a try.
Like
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
gum.
Soft snake?
Gum.
It's like gum?
Yes.
I've never really thought of the texture of pasta in relationship to gum. It might need another minute.
Okay, chef.
Yeah, let's just let it sit at a rolling boil here. Beep, ba-da, ba-da-da-da, beep, beep, ba-da-da-da, ba-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Dee-dee-dee-dee, dee-dee-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. All right, time to delete water.
Okay, chef.
Nice. Okay. Put the pasta into a bowl. Not that bowl, a different bowl. That is a lid, not a bowl. That will work. Yes. Okay. Now, remove that. Put the pan back on. Remove the pasta. Put the pasta on the bed. No. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Put the pasta back in. And then now move it off the table. Move that off. Nope. The other one. The other one. The blue. Move the blue off.
Okay, chef.
Yes. Yep. That's it. Now put the pan back on. We have to make an egg. Yes. Now, olive oil in there.
Olive oil.
Yes. Okay. Yep. Yep. Now turn it on medium heat. Okay, now take one egg.
Egg.
Yep. Gently crack it on the side of the pan. Gently. Yep. Yep. Oh, yes. Yes. Now put the egg gently in the pan. Get closer. Yes. Now, cover it with the lid. The lid is on the far left-hand side of your... No. No. The lid. No. Okay. Far left side of your table. Go to all the way to the left. Walk to the left. Slide. Yes. More. Keep going. Farther. Yes. Farther. Yes. Now put that on top. Yep. Yeah. Yes. Now we wait. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Remove the lid quickly. Yes, quickly. Okay, I think that... Okay, it's done. Put it in a pan. Yes, put it in a bowl. You see the bowl to your left? Oh God, wait, where are you going?
Sorry.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Yes, okay. Now, we're going to assemble our stir fry. So, in the bowl that had your pasta, so move the hot pot. We're done with the hot pot. We are done with the hot pot. Or the hot pad. The hot plate.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. Now add soy sauce. Too much noodles, but it's okay. Yes, add. Now, add salt and vinegar. Add salt and pepper. Yes. Now, coggers. Yep. We have way too many noodles. That's okay though. That's all right. Okay. Now, add all the ingredients to a bowl and you're done. Yeah. No. Just put it in a bowl. Yep. Yes. Yep. Okay. Try and get some of the ingredients other than the noodles, like the egg. Put the egg in there. Yeah, put it in there. Yes. And then, yep. Now, taste.
Is it done?
Yes.
Oh my God, that is so amazing.
Okay. Make sure you get all the ingredients. Okay. Yeah, now give it a taste.
Hmm?
Yeah? Decent? Yeah.
sell this pasta?
Yes.
I don't want to buy, but there's not bad.
Not bad. Congratulations.
We did. Thank you so much.
You've done it. Yay.
Thank you.
Easy clap. We're
Actually,
not that bad. We're not that bad.
Not that bad.
Hey, what's
yeah,
going on,
wow,
everybody?
that's very
Subscribe
cool.
to Will Neff's channel. Hey now. Is that good?
Hit that.
Okay,
hit
now
that bell.
do mine now.
Hey now.
Hon.
What's
Do
going
mine.
on, arch villains? I'm Will Neff.